Discussing this chloroplast inheritance. Next we discussed mitochondrial inheritance. Mitochondrial inheritance was find out in this circumvulgar PRL plant. So the mitochondrial inheritance means it is called a cytoplasmic male sterility. So because of this the male sterility is found in male sterility happen in in the mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA two types of will taken. So two types means one it is normal. Okay, so there are commonly two types of this. Cytoplasm is normal and other one it is sterile. Cytoplasm is sterile. It will be denoted for this male and female. So male sterile plants are here. Male sterile plants. Okay, female only it will be sterile in the parent plant, and the F1 generation male it will be sterile. So plant with abundant cytoplasm so cannot be in the male since the pollen are sterile. Pollens it will be sterile. But this the female having this cytoplasm. Do you know that? So in this the chloroplast we will discuss. Okay. This is the mitochondrial inheritance. Okay, mitochondrial inheritance. So why it is the mitochondrial inheritance is here in that. So the cytoplasmic recently it will be discovered. This sterility is maintained by this influence of the both nuclear as well as the cytoplasmic genes. There are commonly two types of here, normal and yes, it will be self RF genes. RF genes means restore the fertility. Restore the fertility of the genes in the mitochondria. RF genes do not express any expression in this the one. Why? It is not having that cytoplasm. Okay, it is not having the cytoplasm. So next it is a combination of N cytoplasm with RF, small RF. So as a cytoplasm, so produce the plant's fertile pollen grains are here. So totally you see that RF, fertile male, female, sterile female. So fertile male due to the restore the genes. So it will be store the genes. Fertile male and sterile male due to the absence of restore the gene. Absence of restore the gene. Why? So it is that capital R is here. This is small R is here. So next last topic is atavism. Atavism is a modification of biological structure whereby the ancestral traits reappears have been lost the evolutionary changes in the previous generation. So it will be lost of that this in the previous generation. Suddenly it will be reappear of that this in the particular period. That is called this atavism. So it will compare to this in that the animals also. Animals என்ன சொல்லுவோம் பள்ளியோட வால் வெட்டுச்சு அப்படின்னா மறுபடியும் வளரலையே அதே மாதிரி. ஸோ இட் இஸ் எவல்யூட்டட் ட்ரைட். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த எவல்யூட்டட் ட்ரைட்ஸ் தட் டிஸப்பியர் phenotypically do not necessarily disappear for an organism in DNA. It is necessarily disappear. அதுக்கு மறைஞ்சு போகணும். It is not a need. Okay. So depending upon this organism, the gene sequence often remains but it is inactive. Okay. So the gene sequence is here in that particular organism or particular species, but it will be not activated. So after otherwise we call those some resting periods. Okay, some resting periods of the genes. There is no activation here in the species. Sometimes it will be activated. That time that species it is reappears of that particular characters. Okay, such as reused. Okay, it will be unused. The generation it will be unused. We are not using of this in the particular organ or anything pods. So it will be disappears. So after the some more time it will be reappears. So that reappear characters. So it is called as atavism. So re-emergence of the sexual reproduction of flowering plants. Chiasm merusa is the best example of atavism plants. Okay. So now we are discussing this evaluation part. Okay. Extranuclear inheritance be consequence of this presence of இங்கெங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் நம்ம extra chromosomal inheritance, mitochondria and chloroplast. So next, in order to find out of different types of gametes produced by a pair plant having genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b, it should be crossed with genotypic ratio. எது கூட நம்ம cross பண்ணுவோம்? In order to find out பண்ண போகிறோம். என்ன find out பண்ண போகிறோம்? நம்ம different type of gametes are produced in the அப்போ find out பண்ண போகிறோம்னா நம்ம எது கூட தான் எப்பயுமே எதுணும் it will be test cross. அப்போ ஸோ recessive parent கூட நம்ம cross பண்ணால் தான் find out பண்ண முடியும் எந்த இங்கேருந்து வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஓகேயா? ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட், how many different kinds of gametes will be produced by the plant having genotypic capital A, capital B, small b, capital C. So how many different kinds of gametes will produced in the pear plantல? இந்த பிளான்ட்ல ஜீனோடைப்லேருந்து வரணும் அப்படின்னா 2 types. ஓகே, 2 types of gametes. ஸோ என்னென்ன வரலாம்? capital A, capital B. Yeah, the dominant characters we will denote as capital A, capital B, capital C. That is the dominant characters. Recessive characters ku small b. 2 characters. Next one, which one of the following is an example of polygenic inheritance? Polygenic inheritance, pod shape in cordon pear plants. Pod shape in cordon pear plants. In Mendel's experiments with cordon pear, round seeded capital R with was dominant over wrinkled seed, small or yellow coated and capital Y was green coated. What expected phenotypes F2 generation? என்ன எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாம் F2 ஜென்ரேஷன்ஸில்? round seeders with yellow cotyledons, round seeds with yellow cotyledons and wrinkled seeds with yellow cotyledons. Next, test cross involves. Test cross எப்படிலாம் involves ஆகும்? Test crossing of F1 generation with double recessive parent. Double recessive parent. So next one, in pear plants, yellow seeds are dominant to green. If a heterozygous yellow seed plant is crossed with green seeded plant, what ratio of yellow green seeded plants could expected F1 generation? So F1 generation la 50:50. So next one, it is the genotype of the plant showing the dominant phenotype can be determined by it is test cross. Okay, test cross we will find out this genotypic of the plant. Dominant phenotype ல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம், determine பண்ணிக்கலாம். Next one is select the correct statement from ones given below the respect to dihybrid cross. Which one? Tightly linked. Okay, tightly linked genes on the same chromosome, so higher combinations. So next one, which Mendelian idea is respected by the cross in which the F1 generation resembles both the parents? Codominance. Fruit color in squares is an example of dominant epistatus. So next one, in this classic experiments on pear plants, Mendel did not use pod length. Okay, so we were among this for pod length is not used. Epistatics effect in which the dihybrid cross 9:3:1 between capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small b, small b is modified interaction between two alleles of different loci. Okay, next one is 14th. In a test cross involving F1 digabrid flies, more parental type offsprings were produced a recombination type of offsprings. This indicates C. Answer C. Two genes are linked and present on the some chromosomes. So next one it is 15th. The genes controlling the 7 PR characters studied by Mendel are known to be located on how many different chromosomes? How many different chromosomes? 4. Next, which of the following explains how the progeny can possesses the combination of traits that none of the parent also possesses? 16th, law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment. Next, gametes never hybrid. This is the statement of law of segregation. Law of segregation. So next, gene which suppress other genes actively but not lie on the same locus is called. Not lie on the same locus. Epistatics. It may be this dominant epistatics are here. Hypostatic represented epistatics. Next one. Pure tall plants are classed with pure dwarf plants. In the F1 generation, all the plants were tall. This tall plants are F1 generation were selfed. This ratio of tall to dwarf plants obtained 3:1. This is called inheritance. The dominant epistatic ratio is 12:3:1. Selected the period of for Mendel's hybridization experiments. So totally 8 years. 1856 to 1863. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experimentation of PR plants? Dracomal glandular or non-glandular. Okay. So yes, finish this lesson. So now in the 7th, do you know that scientist backgrounds already we have to discuss? Okay, any doubt you can ask me.